More recently, we've developed our curriculum to meet the needs of Welsh language learners more and more. At 14 to 16, we link very much in partnership with our schools to develop Welsh language provision for the Welsh medium schools in the county, and that's proved a huge success. We've also started now at level 3, which is at advanced level, introduce some courses, Welsh medium vocational courses. Our first one is in agriculture, and that's moving into the second year now of a 2-year programme. And in the future, we've targeted areas, service areas like health and social care, hair and beauty, in order to develop curriculum. And it's very important that we offer and help Welsh medium learners in their transition from Welsh medium schools into us as a college. And also, when they finish their studies with us, in continuity move into higher education and Welsh medium courses with the Coleg Sir Gâr. That's really, really important for us.